Hello, Burlington Public Schools. It's Michelle Artizzoni here, Digital Learning Coach. Thanks for listening in to learn more about the iPad feature, Set an Alarm, using the Clock app. On your iPad, locate the Clock app and give it a tap. Here you can see I have one alarm already set, and let's add another by tapping plus. First, choose the time of day that you would like the alarm to be set for. Then choose under Repeat how often this alarm should repeat. Here I'll choose every Wednesday. The label for the alarm is User Choice. Here I'll set it for speech. This could be reminding a student to attend speech every Wednesday at 10:30 a.m. You can also choose the sound of the alarm. Here it is turned on, as you can see the green toggle. And now it's off and on. This function can allow students to be more independent with their own schedule during the day. Thank you for learning more about setting an alarm on the iPad.